Microsoft Excel's web apps just got a massive overhaul. The browser-based version of Excel just gained a red- redesigned. The browser-based version of Microsoft Excel just gained a interface with a ton of current mouse control, including the ability to drag and drop element within a separate sheet. This update should make web-based Excel more particularly for a novice user. If you open Excel in your web browser, you will find that the toolbar now sport a modern designed with more prominent collaboration and sharing buttons. Everything's in the same place, but the toolbar icon are easier to read, and the green is the source that used to set at the top of the window is gone. The new toolbar design is actually a bit old at this point, but if you have not used Web Excel in a while or ever, it will be new to you. All the other changes introduced in this updates are meant to keep you away from the toolbar. You can now insert rows or columns just by clicking a plus button along the edge of your spreadsheet. A hide button pops out when highlighting the header of any row or column, and you can freeze pens by dragging the gray lines for the upper left corner of your spreadsheet. These options already excited within web-based Excel, but they had to be accessed through the toolbar or a right-click menu. The ability to do everything with a single mouse click in to say the rest. I am especially fond of the freezy pen system as it's a feature that I often use a regularly forget how to use when creating a spreadsheet for personal or businesses finances. The biggest change in web-based Excel is the ability to drag and drop rows or column. Simply highlight the rows or column that you want to move, then click and drag the six dots that appear in the spreadsheet's header space. It seems that the longer standing resize the highlight controls have also been improved in this release. Resizing a row or a column now looks at lot less as far as I can tell. Microsoft update the animation to give it a smoother appearance, and highlighted cell now have a more prominent border for increased visibility. Microsoft has introduced several new desktop Excel feature in the last few months, including checkboxes and guest spots. However, the Excel web apps has not gotten a lot of love this year. I'm glad to see that Microsoft is doing something exciting for a customer who work it with Excel in the browser. Improvements are currently rolling out to the web-based version of Excel. If you want to test each new feature, just open a spreadsheet and run your mouse across the header of a row or a column. Each new button will jump out at you. Microsoft has not announced these features for desktop Excel. These improvements are currently rolling out to the web-based version of Excel. If you want to test each new feature,